Alright guys, today we are going to be testing the TikTok roller sharpener. I've had this one for a while. I've actually put quite a bit of use, as you can tell. Works great. And it's pretty easy to use. You have one side, the 15 degrees, and the other side for the 20 degrees. For smaller knives, you want to go on the 15, and for most kitchen knives, large kitchen knives, 20. And I'm going to show you guys how to use this. You usually have a coarser side. You can tell just by feeling it. Test the knife flat. Make sure it's flat on there. Take the coarser side and you go 10 times on each side. Turn it around. Flat. Do the same thing on this side. Now you want to repeat this process with the finer side also on both sides. Try to keep it at 10. Should come out with a really sharp knife. Super sharp. Super sharp. Alright, I'm going to put it on the link and check it out from my shop.